Hi guys, I'm Shahrul. Today I would like to share on how to download and install the ETS software. These ETS software are actually free and available to anyone. First, open Google Chrome and then search for KNX Association. Then click on my.knx.org website. Then click sign in. Okay, in order to get the software from my KNX, we need to be registered and have an account with my KNX. Don't worry, the registration is safe and free of charge. Therefore, sign up for those who do not have an account yet. Okay, after signing in, click on shop, click ETS, okay, then we need to scroll down and click on ETS Lite. As mentioned, the price for this ETS software are $200, but today we are going to download the demo version for free. Click download demo button. Okay, the file is being downloaded, so we need to wait a moment. This is the downloaded ETS software folder. We can now install the ETS software. Click open the folder, click ETS setup, okay, run, okay, click on agree with the license and terms, click install. Okay, ETS 6 has been successfully installed, so click close. Finally, the ETS software has been successfully installed. Thank you for watching this video and look forward to the next videos. Thank you.